Log in to your Monday.com account. Then navigate to the top panel and select Automate option to open the automation settings page. Now, select Create from Scratch option to start setting up a new automation. Select the trigger by clicking When This Happen, and from the list of available triggers, choose Column Changes. Select the action from Then Do This field, then scroll down and choose Send Twilio SMS from Sender Number to Recipient Number option. Hold on until the page is completely loaded, then move to the next step. Select the column field and choose Date column. Select the SMS message field and enter your message. To insert contacts field, select any of the fields listed below and click Done. Then choose the sender number field and select your enabled Twilio SMS sender number. Now choose the recipient number field and select the phone column. Now, click on Create Automation and wait for the loading to complete. Now you'll see that the automation has been created and appears on your automations page. Close this page. Trigger the action by changing a date in the date column. Once you do that, you'll see a pop-up at the bottom right corner indicating that the automation is running and has been triggered. The phone number will receive an automated message when the action is triggered. You can check the updates of the message in the Update field by clicking the message icon. Additionally, you can check the run history by opening the automation you've just created.